Welcome to today's video, where we explore the intricacies of maintaining your F1 status and the potential consequences if you find yourself out of status. Let's dive into this important topic. In this video, we will cover an introduction to the F1 STEM OPT, what it means to be out of status, the consequences of this situation, our recommendations if you find yourself in such a scenario, and finally, a legal disclaimer. First, let's understand the initial status of F1 STEM-OPT. STEM OPT allows you to work in the United States after your studies for a specific period. However, this period comes with a limitation on the number of unemployment days. If you exceed these unemployment days, it can result in a loss of your F1 status. Being out of status indicates that the terms of your F1 visa have been violated. This typically happens when you exceed the allowed number of unemployment days. Once you are out of status, it has several implications that can affect your immigration record. The consequences of being out of status are significant. It can greatly affect any future visa applications you may have, making it more difficult to obtain approval. Furthermore, if you attempt to enter the U.S. at a future date, you could face denial of entry based on your previous immigration history. If you find yourself out of status, here are some recommended steps to take. First, gather all pertinent documentation regarding your F1 status and OPT. Next, consult with a U.S. immigration attorney who can provide specific guidance for your situation. Finally, ensure that all future communications regarding your immigration status are honest and accurate. Here's a quick quiz question to check your understanding. What can lead to the loss of F1 status on STEM OPT? A. Exceeding unemployment days. B. Leaving the U.S. before OPT expiration. C. Not completing studies in the U.S. D. Failing to renew driver's license. Feel free to pause the video to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is A. Exceeding unemployment days. On STEM OPT, it's crucial to adhere to the unemployment day limits to maintain your F1 status. Please take note of this important legal disclaimer. This video is meant for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. For any specific immigration matters, it is essential to consult a qualified immigration attorney. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found the information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Take care and see you next time.